Let's solve question number 4. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. Okay. For the first kilometer the fare is ₹8. मतलब 1 किलो पहला जो किलोमीटर है वो जब हो जाएगा तो 8 रुपया उसका बिल हो जाएगा. एंड फॉर द सब्सिक्वेंट डिस्टेंस इट इज़ ₹5 पर किलोमीटर. और जैसे दूसरा किलोमीटर होगा उसका कितना रुपये चुकाना पड़ेगा? 5 रुपया पर किलोमीटर. टेकिंग द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड एज X किलोमीटर and total fare as ₹Y. Write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. ठीक है. How will we solve this? What information is given? First we will write it. Okay. So how will we solve this? First we will write what is given. What is given over here? Distance travelled. You can say that as X kilometer. Okay. And the total fare is also given. Total fare as ₹Y. So you have to mention that. Okay. Now what will be the total fare? Total fare equal to fare for the first kilometer plus fare for the remaining kilometer, that is for the remaining distance. Okay. Therefore the equation becomes y equal to 8 plus 5 into x minus 1. Why x minus 1? Because the first kilometer is costing ₹8, so we have considered this. Okay. So if we solve the equation, what will be the equation? Therefore y equal to 8 plus 5 into x is 5x. Okay. And minus plus plus is minus. 5 ones are 5. So now 8 minus 5 is 3 plus 5x. Okay. This is the equation form. Now what we will do? We will put x equal to 1 in the above equation. Okay. Now 3 plus 5 into 1. So what is the value of y? Is 8. Okay. Now if you put x equal to 2 in the above equation, we get above equation is 3 plus 5x. Okay. We have named that equation as number 1. Okay. So now if we put x as 2, what is the value? 3 plus 5 into 2. So what is the answer? Value of y is 13. Okay. Now again we will put x equal to 3 in equation 1. Okay. So what will be the answer? This will be equal to 3 plus 5 into 3. So the value of y is 18. How we can write this? Hence a 1 comma 8. If we put the value of x as 1, we get the value of y as 8. Second, we put the value of x as 2. What value of y we got? 13. Okay. And C, we put the value of x as 3, then what we get? What we got the value of y? It was 18. Okay. Are solutions of the equation 1. Okay, this is the answer. Now what are the coordinates of A? We have written x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 8. So if you measure from the y axis, this is the y axis, y dash, and this is x dash. Okay, so when we measure from the y axis, the distance is 1. So 1. From this we will draw a perpendicular line. Okay, until which point? Until 8. Why 8? Because the y coordinate is 8. So this point we got as A. Okay, you just have to mark the points. Okay, don't draw a line. Okay, line is for your understanding. On the graph paper directly you can mark the points. Okay, since I don't have a graph paper, I am using this method. Now what is the coordinate of B? The x coordinate of B is 2, and what is the y coordinate of B? It is 13. So you have to mark this point as B, 13. Okay, this point you can name it as B. Okay, now what is the coordinate of C? X coordinate is 3. That means you have to measure distance from y axis. Okay, 1 2 3. And what is the y coordinate of C? It is 18. Okay, 18 is to be measured from the x axis, so it is approximately over here. Okay, on the graph you can mark it accurately. So this is at point C. Okay, now join all these points. So now join all these 3 points. Okay, you will get a straight line passing through these 3 points. Okay, you can write the equation of this line. What was the equation? Y equal to 5x plus 3 was the equation. And write the coordinates of the point A. X coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is A. Same way for B, x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 13. And same way for C, y coordinate is 18, x coordinate is 3. You have to mention it. Okay, let's solve question 7. Okay, Yamini and Fatima, 2 students of class 9 of a school together, contributed ₹100 towards प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स रिलीफ फंड. ठीक है, मालूम है प्राइम मिनिस्टर का रिलीफ फंड होता है, मतलब अर्थक्वेक हो गया या बाढ़ आ गया तो उसके अंदर हम लोग पैसा जमा करा सकते हैं. ठीक है, टू हेल्प द अर्थक्वेक विक्टिम्स. अर्थक्वेक हो गया, भूकंप हो गया या बाढ़ आ गया, उसके लिए हम लोग जमा करा सकते हैं ऐसा. राइट अ लीनियर इक्वेशन विच सेटिस्फाइज द डेटा. बराबर, अभी हम लोग को एक इक्वेशन लिखना है. ठीक है, उसमें कैसे है कि 2 लड़की है, एक यामिनी करके एक फातिमा करके, दोनों का कंट्रीब्यूशन मतलब दोनों मिला के 100 रुपया डोनेट करती है प्राइम मिनिस्टर रिलीफ फंड में. तो अभी उसका इक्वेशन हम लोग कैसे बनाएंगे? ठीक है, लिखते हैं इधर. लेट the contribution of Yamini equal to ₹X. ठीक है, let the contribution of Fatima equal to ₹Y. ठीक है, अभी हम लोगों को जो क्वेश्चन में दिया है क्या है? x प्लस वाई का वैल्यू कितना है? ₹100. ठीक है, देयरफॉर अभी हम लोग x का वैल्यू ढूंढेंगे. देयरफॉर x इक्वल टू 100 माइनस वाई. ये y प्लस है, उसको इधर गया तो माइनस हो जाएगा वो. ठीक है, नाउ हम लोग क्या करेंगे? पुट y, putting y equal to 0, we have now putting y equal to 10. You have to put y equal to 10 in this equation. Okay, x plus y equal to 100. Then what we will get the value of x? We'll get the value of x as 90 when we solve this. Now if we put y equal to 20, we will get the value of x is 80. Okay, if you solve this. So now we have how many coordinates? We have coordinate A, which has x value 100 and y value 0. Then we have B coordinate. Okay, we have B coordinate, x coordinate is 90 and y coordinate is 10, and C coordinate, x is 80, y is 20. Okay, here you can see when we put y equal to 20, we get x equal to 80. This is I have written. This is C. Okay, now this is A and this is B. When we put y equal to 10, we get x equal to 90. Okay, so now we will draw line on the graph. Okay, so now what is the first coordinate A? It was 100 comma 0. That means x coordinate is 100 and y coordinate is 0. So the first coordinate x, you have to measure from the y axis. It is 100. So when we measure, it comes over here 100. And what is the y coordinate? It is 0, since it is on the x axis itself. Okay, so this point is A. Now point B, the x coordinate is 90 and y coordinate is 10. So for measuring x coordinate, you have to take measurement from y axis. So this is 90 and y coordinate is 10. So measure this way. Okay, so this coordinate is B. Okay, now we will measure C coordinate. X coordinate is 80 and y coordinate is 20. So 80 and 20, where they meet? They meet over somewhere over here. Okay, now you can call this point as C. Straight line passing through on these 3 points. Okay, what is this equation? It was x plus y equal to 100. Okay, you can write the coordinates of these points. What was C? It was 80 comma 20. What was B? 90 comma 10. And what was A? It was 100 comma 0. Okay, now let's learn equations of lines parallel to the x axis and y axis. Okay, this is x axis. Okay, and this is y axis. Now we will learn how to draw parallel lines, okay, to the y axis and x axis. Okay, with the help of a equation. Okay, let's take an example. Solve the equation this 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3 and represent the solution. Okay, on the number line. You have to draw the answer on the number line. This is the number line. Okay, and this is the Cartesian plane. Okay, so you have to plot this on the Cartesian plane. So how will we solve this? So how will we solve this? 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3 is the equation given. Bring all the x terms together. This is on the right, bring it on the left. When it comes on the left, the sign changes. It is plus, so it will become minus. And this sign will remain as it is. Okay, and this is plus 1. And when we take it to the right side, it becomes minus. So minus 3 minus 1 is how much? Minus 4. And 2 minus x, 2 minus 1x. 1 is not written. Okay, it is understood. So 2 minus 1 is 1, that is x equal to minus 4. Now this has to be represented on the number line. Okay, we'll draw the number line. So now we got the value of x as minus 4. So we'll represent this on the number line. It is asked in the question. Okay, so this x equal to minus 4. You can draw like this and represent this. Okay, this is the number line. On the right side are positive numbers, left side are negative numbers. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. So we got the answer minus 4. Okay, now we'll solve the second part of the question. Okay, now we have got the value of x as minus 4. Okay, now this can be written as, you remember, ax plus by plus c. So ax is x plus 0 into y. Why? Because y variable is not there. Okay, and the answer of this is minus 4. Okay, so this can be written in this form. Okay, this is a linear equation in how many variables? 2 variables, where the variables are x and y. Okay, now this can be represented in a line. Okay, now we got this line or this number line. Okay, where the value was x, the value of x was x equal to minus 4. So this is the number line, 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. So we can draw a line perpendicular to the x-axis. Okay, x dash. Okay, now you can get n number of points on this line. Okay, this point was minus 4 comma 0. It can be, you can take this also point, minus 4 comma 2. Okay, so what was the equation in which you solved this? The answer was x equal to minus 4. Okay, so now all the values of y are permissible because 0 into y is always 0. Okay, so now we got two solutions. Of the equation, which are they? X equal to minus 4 comma y equal to 0 and x equal to minus 4 comma y equal to 2. Okay, so by this we have completed chapter number 4. Okay, you can do the homework which we send on the WhatsApp group. Okay.